Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So ngayon po, dinalaw po namin ang lola namin dahil birthday niya. So ayun guys, hanggang dito na lang muna. If you like our video, don't forget to buy us a cup of Coke or coffee. And see you next time. Bye!